A. A for ant. This is ant. B. B for butterfly. This is butterfly. C. C for coconut. This is coconut. D. D for doll. This is doll. E. E for egg. This is egg. F. F for hawk. This is hawk. G. G for girl. This is girl. H. H for hat. This is hat. I for insect. This is insect. J. J for juice. This is juice. K. K for kiwi. This is kiwi. L. L for lemon. This is lemon. M. M for mango. This is mango. N for nine. This is nine. O. O for octopus. This is octopus. P. P for peacock. This is peacock. Q. Q for queen. This is queen. R. R for rose. This is rose. S. S for strawberry. This is strawberry. T. T for tortoise. This is tortoise. U. U for unicorn. This is unicorn. V. V for vase. This is vase. W. W for vase. This is vase. X. X for Axira. This is Axira. Y. Y for yak. This is yak. Z. Z for zebra. This is zebra.